everyone, I hope you are all doing well, enjoying your summer, and thank you for watching my video. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. This is actually the second time I'm making this video because the first time I didn't have my microphone on. But never mind, I had delicious lunch and I'm gonna have delicious dinner too. So today I'm going to show you how to make maple rosemary chicken sausage. It's juicy, delicious, super easy to make and super quick. And I'm going to be using ground chicken today. You can use pork as well or turkey. I have one small branch of rosemary or fresh rosemary, so I'm going to be using that. And then some other seasonings such as salt, oregano, a little bit of smoked paprika, some chili. You can skip that obviously if you don't want any heat. And some nutmeg, maple syrup. There's no flour, no egg. It's gonna bond perfectly together. So let me show you how I make this. So first I'm going to chop the rosemary. Just take the leaves off the branch. It's very easy. You can just slide it off. So just chop it with your knife. I always put it back together and chop, chop, chop. Bring it back together and chop more. So make sure the pieces are nice and small, because like that you will have a little bit of the rosemary flavor in each bite. So this is approximately 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Then we're gonna use salt and also 1 teaspoon. And I'm using this coarse sea salt. I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then half a teaspoon of dry red chili flakes. I think this provides just enough spice. It's not too hot, but you can obviously add more or skip it if you don't want any heat. And then I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of nutmeg. So mix it together. And now add the ground chicken in. And as the last step, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So 1, 2, and mix everything well together. Make sure all the herbs and spices are well mixed into the meat. And as I said before, there's no need to add egg or no need to add flour. This mixture just really stays well together, even after cooking. It doesn't fall apart. Okay, this is perfect. And now I'm going to make the patties. I'm gonna use a pan. I'm going to be putting them right onto the pan. And I'm going to grease my hands to make it easier for me to create the patties. So I'll just rub some olive oil, grab a small piece and create the patty. They should be about 1/2 inch thick. So put it straight on the pan. You can still spread them a little bit on the pan just to make sure that they are all the same width. And since we're only going to be frying them on the stove, they need to be quite slim. I'm not gonna use the oven at all. So today I'm using 1 pound of chicken and it created 5 patties. When I made it earlier, it created 7, so it depends on the size. But I think this would be for 2 servings. And I'm only going to fry these patties. I'm not gonna put it into the oven. They're super thin, so it's only going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to add just a little bit more oil. And start it on high, just to make sure that all the juice is locked in. So when it's been sizzling for about a minute, I'm gonna turn it down to medium and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes now. And in about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, flip them over. You see they nicely staying together. And cook for another 4 minutes. And when you flip them over, also increase the temperature again to high for about 1 minute and then decrease it after a minute to medium and cook for another 3 minutes. And make sure they are really cooked through because you can't eat poultry raw. So this is my maple rosemary chicken sausage. As you saw, it's super easy, super quick. I made some boiled potatoes earlier, so I'm gonna serve it with those, and also made some Czech cucumber salad. If you want the recipe for that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I see you at the next one.